So we're in San Diego Convention Center, have the International Microwave Symposium show. We have every possible microwave player you can imagine here to demonstrate their expertise from all over the world. I've seen companies from UK, from Germany, from Israel, and of course from Asia, like Korean, Japan, and China. But most impressively, you will see almost every possible microwave industry related RF specialty companies here. They're really one of the best show for the industry. If you ask anybody else that have any other show in the world can replace this show, nobody say yes. So if you're into RF, you want to design, you want to manufacture, you want to supply your testing equipment, helping the people finishing their best and the greatest, RF here is the place to come.